All right, I just got this in the mail. It's super hot outside, so let's try to keep ourselves cool. This is a personal cooling device, and we're going to try it out and see what we think. All right, so it's super hot everywhere you go. Now they're calling it global boiling, not global warming. So let's see what we got here. This is a personal cooling off device, and let's check it out. See what we get, what they give us in this. That's everything. It does come with some directions, so you can check that out. Let's set this over here. And here it is right here. Bam, done. It does come with this, which is a regular USB like Android. No biggie, all right? So I think we may have to charge it to get it going first. We may not, though. It may go ahead and start. Let's see. Oh, that's the lights. Check that out. So it looks like it goes through an array of different colors. There's blue. That's interesting, right? I think if I press it again, it'll do a different mode, like white and off. So I think the first one, it runs through the different colors. The second one, I think it just goes to this one color. And then the third one, you turn it off. Over here is the fan. Oh yeah, it's cooling me right now. I like it. And I'm not sure if this turns or if this has any functionality, but let's go ahead and try it. I'm gonna put it on. All right, I forgot one crucial detail. To charge it, you just gotta stick your USB that's like an Android. I've got a block already set up into that little port, which is right here. And let me see where the curved part is. Okay, so it's gonna go like this. And then you just kind of got to get it in there, I think. Oh, there we go. And then if you look, you'll see it's charging. It's got this little red thing. And we'll just set it here, and we'll come back, and hopefully it'll turn a different color. All right, so anyway, the controls are on this side, so I think you kind of want to, get it so that you can get to the controls. So I'm going to put it here. All right, then I'm just going to bend these up, point them at me, get my hair out of the way. Oh yeah, it's cooling me. It's definitely cooling. And I think it might have different speeds. If I can find the controller. Put this to the side. All right, so here's this. Let me hit it again. Oh yeah, you hear it? There's high speed. There's off. Okay, so we've got 1, 2, 3 speeds. First speed. You can see it kind of blowing my hair a little bit. Second speed. Ooh, more cool. Look. Third speed. All right, let's try it again. First speed. You can point it more like at you. Second speed. And third. There we go. Oh. Now, I thought we had 3 speeds on it. Let me see what the deal is. Here's 1. Right? Here's 2. And I think there's the third one, but I don't know. Yeah, so there's 3 speeds. Oh, and then it stops. So you only get 2 speeds, okay? So this is slow. Oh, you know what? There's slow, and that's speed. My hair's a little wet, so it's not blowing away. I just took a shower. But it feels good, man. It's definitely cooling me off. I dig it. This will work. This will keep you kind of cool. I mean, at least keep your head cool. They say that most of your energy comes out of your top of your skull, I guess. Should we put the colors on and see what happens? Here we go. Now we got a disco. Now it's a disco. It's turning blue. Don't let your hair get caught in the fan. You got long hair. That could be a problem. I'm gonna give this 2 thumbs up, man. I like it. I think it worked. All right, you guys give it a shot. I think it was like, I don't know, 15 bucks or something like that on Amazon. I put the link below, so check it out. All right, if you like this video, subscribe to my channel and check out my other awesome videos on stuff like this. Peace out.